The Southern Nevada Water Authority pays a cash rebate of up to $3 per square foot for converting non-functional grass to water-smart landscape. And you can get, for a homeowners association or a large project, as much as $500,000 in rebates. So we're prepared to meet the needs of a community or project of almost any size.
Tens of thousands of residents and businesses have taken advantage of our rebate program since it first launched in 1999. And although we've removed 197 million square feet of grass, enough to wrap a strip of sod around the globe, the SNWA estimates we're only about halfway to accomplishing our goal of replacing useless grass in our community with water-smart landscaping. Useless grass is purely ornamental, and it's often found in pocket parks, in front of businesses, in street medians, and in community entryways.
We think that as much as 4 of every 5 square feet of non-functional grass is being held by homeowners associations, commercial properties, and apartment complexes. And keep in mind, we're not talking about taking away parks or recreational areas. We're looking at grass that's in 3-foot wide strips along a street where water's flowing into the street. These are not the areas where we're playing and recreating, bringing us a lot of value. These are areas that are actually sucking up our water supply for purely decorative impact.
If you live in an HOA with useless grass and you would like to encourage more conservation, you can be part of the solution. Many communities with decorative lawns have converted to water-smart landscaping with the overwhelming support of their residents.
So if you think water-smart landscaping is something that should be done in your community, that it'll save you money, it'll save labor, it'll improve the quality of your streets and sidewalks because of water damage, you need to engage with the homeowners association. Propose a project, advocate for projects, and if a project is proposed and you support it, don't stay silent. Make sure they know that you think this is a good move.
Getting businesses to convert their grass is a bit more challenging.
You know, with businesses, it's very difficult sometimes to find the ultimate decision maker. So many commercial entities are operated by people that don't live in Southern Nevada or large corporations. And so in many cases, somebody has to be the advocate. It may be a manager, it may be a property manager, but we've got to get somebody locally involved who wants to help push this project through and work with their corporate office to ensure that everything is done.
Whether you're a business owner, HOA, or homeowner, the SNWA wants to help break down barriers keeping you from converting your non-functional grass to water-smart landscaping. We know cost can be a big issue. Our rebate program can help you recoup initial costs.
Well, we found on average that our rebate pays more than half of the cost of the average customer's project. On very large projects, because of the scale, in some cases it can pay even more than half of the cost. So we're putting in our money and we're trying to minimize the amount of outlay that the customer has. In many cases, you may be able to work with a landscaper who agrees to forego part of the payment until you've received your rebate from the Water Authority, and so that can be useful. And we try to expedite the payments. We try to execute the payments and get the check to people within just 1 or 2 weeks following their final inspection.